Looking for a simple way to refresh your CJ's exterior without a full overhaul? The rugged Ridge OE style steel license plate bracket offers a quick, effective upgrade that combines rugged durability with a sleek, factory fresh look. If your current bracket is rusty or worn out, this replacement will have your Jeep looking sharper in no time. What sets this bracket apart is its construction. Made from high-strength steel and protected by a black powder-coated finish, it resists rust and wear far better than the original. One CJ5 owner shared how this bracket fit perfectly on their 1976 model, blending seamlessly with the vehicle's design. It's not just about looks. This bracket is solid and reliable, built to last through rough conditions and everyday use. Some users noted a minor tweak was needed to prevent screw heads from rubbing on the body, but overall, it fits like it was meant to be there. If you want your CJ to maintain that authentic, rugged style while upgrading to a more durable part, this license plate bracket is worth a look. It's a straightforward fix that enhances both function and appearance without breaking the bank. Try it when you're ready to give your Jeep a clean, factory-style touch that lasts.